Hi, I'm Dee, and I'm here with a quick tutorial for an easy DIY Christmas decoration. It's a paper Christmas tree. Because it's cone-shaped, it's pretty simple to put together. I'll show you how to make it in just 3 steps. So, let's get started. How to make a paper Christmas tree. Craft supplies. You only need a few supplies to make this. You'll need the paper template for the tree. Check the description of this video for the link to my website where you can download and print it. It's free. You can use regular printer paper. To make it a little sturdier, in this video, I'm using cardstock. If you're planning to color it in, you'll need some coloring supplies, colored pencils, markers, gel pens, etc. Whatever you like. You'll also need a pair of scissors and some sort of adhesive. I'm using a glue stick. Step 1. Color in the tree. After printing out the Christmas tree template, color it in. I used a combination of alcohol markers, colored pencils, and glitter pens to color the tree in this video. Step 2. Cut out the tree. After you finish coloring everything just the way you like it, carefully cut the tree out with a pair of scissors. Step 3. Assemble the tree. Before I use the glue, I roll the tree into its final shape. This helps me figure out exactly how the paper will fit together. Plus, it makes the paper a little less stiff. Now put some glue on the tab. By the way, the glue I'm using is purple, but it will fade to invisible when it dries. Now stick the tab to the other side of the tree. And there you have it, a paper Christmas tree. I hope you have fun making yours. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe. I know my channel is super small right now, but my plan for the new year is to make more tutorials like this one. And hopefully we'll see the channel start to grow. I'd love to have you come along for the journey. One last thing, in the video description, there are links to my coloring websites where you can find bunches of free printable coloring pages to color. All you need is access to a printer. Anyway, happy holidays, and thanks for watching. Have fun creating.